Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the SIM slot or SIM tray on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So in order to open the SIM tray we'll need to use the pin that is of course included inside the box of this device. So then at the bottom of the device we will find the SIM tray over here on the left side, and on the left side here we have the hole and we need to use the pin. We need to put it inside that hole. There we go. And then once you are in, you need to push it a little bit with a little bit of force until this tray comes out just slightly. When it does, use your fingers in order to take it out. And there we go. Over here we have our SIM tray, and we can use just one SIM card in this case. And we need to pretty much match the symbol, so we need to put it like so that, like I said, it matches the slot. You will hear a small click, like a little click, when you put it inside, when you insert the SIM card. And once you are done, you need to put the SIM tray back in, and this is the front side. So put it back in, just slide it in, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!